Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Faye. If you're new here, I invite you to become one of my best friends by hitting the subscribe button. And if you're already a friend of mine, aka a subscriber, hey boo! So a couple videos back I showed you that I colored my hair. I actually was contemplating cutting it all off, but I said before I do that, let me just change it up a little bit. And so I colored it. And so I ended up washing my hair last night and I noticed some differences in my hair. My hair was behaving in a way that it wasn't doing before I colored it. Although I used an ammonia-free dye, I said in that video, even though it's ammonia-free, there's still an opportunity for your hair to be damaged anytime you use chemicals. And so I'm kind of dealing with that just a little bit. What I mean is when I washed my hair, I didn't see anything severe that was extremely scary. But what I saw was my curl pattern, because I'm a curly girl, my curl pattern loosened. My hair felt different to the touch and it was a little dry when I was using like different products that my hair usually responds to very well. And then also there was just a little bit of breakage. And so it wasn't severe, but it definitely was a difference. And so I said, you know what, before I allow this to get out of hand, let me get on top of it now. Enter Olaplex number 3. Olaplex is not a conditioner or a protein treatment, although protein treatments are beautiful and so are conditioners, and they could possibly help my situation. I just felt like because this, whatever's going on in my hair was chemically induced, I wanted to use Olaplex. Olaplex is actually a bond builder. That's what the company says that it is. And so what happens is we all have, I believe it's sulfur bonds in our hair, and anytime we're doing color or something like that, those bonds are destroyed in order to get the color to deposit into your hair strand. If it goes too far as destroying bonds, you'll see things like hair that's kind of like straw, it's really stiff, or breakage. And so I decided, you know what, since I destroyed my bonds by using color, I'm going to get this Olaplex number 3 to basically be a kind of like a reconstructor and put those bonds back together. So the way it works is you use it once a week, or if you have damaged hair, you can use it 2 to 3 times per week. You apply it to damp, towel dried hair. You apply it from your scalps to your ends, leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes or longer if you desire, and then you rinse your hair and shampoo and condition as usual, because again, this is not a conditioner. In my situation, because I think my hair is trying to get on the damaged side, this week I'm going to use this twice, and then going forward I'm going to use this once a week until I'm sure my hair is back in tip-top shape. The cost of this product is $28 at my local Sephora. So after taxes, I paid $30.31. So usually you apply it to just damp towel dry hair. You do not shampoo before you apply this. So what I did to make sure I was going to use this right was I went to the Olaplex YouTube page, and you can see an actual Olaplex expert tell you how to use this. And she said, even though this says to apply to towel dried hair, meaning damp towel dried hair that has not been shampooed, if you have excessive buildup on your hair, you can use a mild shampoo and wash it out, and it will not damage the process of what this will go through. Right now my hair is extremely gelled down because I slicked it into a ponytail, and so in order to make sure that my hair really gets the benefit of this, I mean, because it's $28 for 3 ounces and I will not waste 1 ounce, okay? In order to make sure my hair gets the real benefits, I'm going to use a mild shampoo and wash this gel out, and then the next time you see me, I will start applying this. Okay, so at this point my hair has been sectioned off so it's easier to manage. I separated it into 4s, and as I'm applying the Olaplex, I'm splitting the 4s into halves to make sure that I get as much on there as I need to get. So the instructions are to apply it from the root to the end, and this is how much I'm going to use right now, and hopefully that's enough. And watching the Olaplex specialist, she actually called it tiny but mighty and just said that a little bit goes a long way. So I'm really hoping this works, because right now my hair just feels mushy and I don't like seeing little strands of breakage. If it happens, I'll try to show you on camera, but I'm getting like little bitty pieces of hair in my hands as I touch it when it's wet. Oh, I didn't mean to use that much. But since we're here, child, I want to really make sure my ends get a good amount because I don't like how they're feeling right now. Okay, this is what I mean. And just applying to that quadrant, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but there's little strands of hair that broke off. My hair wasn't doing that before the color, and that's how I know that my bonds need a lot of help. So usually I wouldn't spend $28 on 3 ounces of a product, but because this isn't a regular conditioner and I believe it'll really help me, I'm thinking that it's going to be worth the investment. The smell of it is pretty fresh. It's not overwhelming by any means. And the good thing about this product is if you don't use it on a regular, it lasts for a long time. I'm hoping that you can see that the jar actually says it lasts for 24 months after opening. So that is a really good thing. I'm gonna split this in half. And I'm gonna continue to apply. I'm actually going to fast forward through this part just to keep the video from being too long. Okay, so at this point, the Olaplex is completely applied. You're supposed to leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes. Considering what my hair is going through, it's probably gonna be on for at least an hour or two. And then I will come back, rinse it out and shampoo it and see how my hair behaves. Now, this doesn't say anything about your hair needs to stay wet or anything like that, alluding to putting on a shower cap while this is on. So since the directions don't say to wear a shower cap while this is on, and the instructor or the expert on the Olaplex YouTube channel that I watch did not have a shower cap on when she did it, I'm actually not going to wear one. I'm just gonna leave it like this because I'm just gonna be around the house today. I used up to like around here. So overall, that's not bad at all. So this will actually stretch, I believe, to the full 3 uses that the expert said that I will get out of it. So I will be back. So I just shampooed the Olaplex out. I left it in for about an hour. In the shampoo process, my hair didn't feel 100% back to normal by any means, but I definitely felt like it felt better. My hair didn't feel as mushy and it still felt soft. So I think that with continued usage, my hair will improve. But the test for me to see how this performs is as I apply my deep conditioner. I'm using this by Carol's Daughter. It's the Razul Clay Active Living Hair Care Softening Hair Mask. It's for overworked and overwashed hair. It replenishes moisture, adds touchable softness, and revitalizes hair. And the main ingredients that they want you to focus on is the Razul Clay, aloe juice, and cactus flower. My hair loves aloe, so I knew that this would work. And the fact that this is for overworked and overwashed hair, that's kind of what I'm going through right now, I figured this would be a good match. The one thing I'm noticing though, too, my hair has a shine on it that it did not have when I originally washed my hair before I applied the Olaplex. And I'm noticing that some of my shrinkage came back. And I'm just hoping that I'm not trying to like trick my mind into believing this, but I feel like my shrinkage is coming back and I actually want it to. Like, I don't want to manipulate my hair texture. So when I washed it previously and that it was a looser texture than what my hair normally is, that was kind of concerning to me. So for me to start seeing what looks like my normal hair, I really like this. So let me go ahead and apply my deep treatment, and that'll let me know how my hair is doing. So I'm just section off the top half. My hair feels better too. It doesn't feel mushy like it did before. Like, there's still a little bit of a difference, but my hair doesn't feel like it was screaming for help like it was before I applied the Olaplex. Let me keep moving. Okay, so I got one strand, but before I have two small little bitty strands, but before I got more than that, and I'll show you a before and after if I can get it. Okay, so I'm going to stop the process here because I'm going to actually get under the hair dryer, but here is my final review of the Olaplex. Before using it, my hair was dry. It felt a little bit brittle on the ends. When my hair was wet, meaning with water applied, my hair was mushy feeling and it was breaking very easily. After the Olaplex, I saw a really healthy shine, like a really nice sheen on top of my hair. Where my hair had loosened because of the color, it seems as if it's starting to get the elasticity back. And although my hair is still breaking just a little bit, the breakage decreased. Whereas it may have been 4 or 5 strands per quadrant last time, this time it's 1 or 2. So I think with continued usage of the Olaplex, like it said, for damaged hair, use it 2 to 3 times a week. I'm going to use it 2 times this week and continue to use it once a week going forward until I feel like I don't need it anymore. But overall, I think this is 100% worth the money. I do feel like, I don't really like to use the word miracle in the bottle, but whatever they did, this is pretty much a miracle in the bottle. Like, this is amazing for damaged hair, and not just damaged hair, it's amazing for any type of hair. I think it's an excellent hair protector, and it's actually really good as a preventative to me. It's for all hair type. It's not just for curly girls. It's for curly, straight, black, white, orange, purple, green, whatever. This is for everybody, so I do recommend it. If you can't afford it, I understand. You can try a protein treatment, just making sure your protein and moisture balance is good. But if you can invest, I definitely think this is worth it. This will definitely become a staple product of mine. Olaplex did that. My hair feels a lot healthier than it did earlier today. I was actually concerned about my hair, but I think that I'm in good hands with Olaplex. So if you've tried it, let me know how it worked out for you. And if you're interested in it and you have any questions, just leave the comment down below, and I will see you next time. And I just want to say to the creators of Olaplex, thank you, because I have no doubt that this will be the thing that saves my hair. And I mean that. All right, I'll see you guys next time.